Welcome to a feature release by us at Zenler. Now, one of the biggest pain points our users have is scheduling posts. And that's what it's all about today. We've brought out a brand new feature that allows you to schedule your posts and also manage those posts as well. Plus, we've got scheduling inside of blogs. So let's first check out this feature, which is scheduling in your community. All right, so now you're in your community, what we're going to do is we're going to go down and we're going to create a post. Just enter your title as usual and then write your post description. Once you've written your post, you can of course add images, you can add video, you can add emojis, and you can add an animated GIF as well. Once you're ready to schedule your post, you simply, instead of hitting the post button, go across to the calendar. And inside here, you can use the little calendar to set your date and your time. So I'm going to set this for 12 and click the day, which will be tomorrow, and click next. So I've set this for tomorrow at 12 p.m. and I'm going to click OK. And I'm going to click confirm. Now, once you've done this, you've one more button to press, and that is the schedule, just to reconfirm this. Now this is scheduled. Now you're not going to see the post here, but you can manage your scheduled post quite easily by going across to manage and then go down to scheduled post. And inside here, you're going to see the post title, the community that you're scheduling it to, the scheduled date and time, the status, and of course you can edit. So if we click the edit, we could change this. I could change this to Saturday and reset a time if I wanted to, and click next and click OK and click confirm, and you'll see that the date has now changed. We can also delete it by clicking cancel inside here as well, like so, and that post has been cancelled now. And that is how easy it is to schedule your posts inside of your Zenler community. Now, one last thing just before we go, and that is to show you that you have the ability to schedule blog posts as well. So if I go into my blogs, you're going to see that if you go into any of your blog posts which are not published, you'll have the ability inside here to schedule these as well. And you can simply go in here and you can set a date and a time and click scheduled post. And now you can see that this has been scheduled for this time. Okay. If you want to cancel that schedule, you simply click cancel schedule and reset it up here. So guys, I hope you're going to love this new feature. This was one of the #1 pain points that you guys had on the platform, that you wanted to be able to schedule your posts, and now you can. Enjoy.